People have been rescued from their homes due to flooding, while roads and rail services have also been disrupted as heavy rain hits northwest England. The Met Office has issued an amber warning for heavy rain in the area. Merseyside Fire and Rescue Service, MFRS, said a number of homes had been evacuated in Bowles Street, Bootle, with firefighters helping more than 40 people out of their homes. Firefighters used rescue sledges to help some people evacuate their homes. Temporary closures were also in place in the Seaforth Road and Knowsley Road areas of Bootle.